Coastal deltaic environments are especially vulnerable to the effect of climate changes and, in particular, rising mean sea levels. These effects are further exacerbated by soil subsidence, which can be both of natural and anthropogenic origin, where the latter is due to the exploitation of, for instance, groundwater resources and natural gas reservoir. Under natural dynamics, river deltas are to some extent able to compensate for the above said effects. However, especially in medium to large scale deltaic system, nowadays the delivery of sediments to the deltaic plain is impeded by levees and embankments that have been constructed by humans. These embankments confine water flow over major deltaic distributary channels and prevent natural dynamics from occurring. With the NatRespoNΔ project, which is funded by NextGen EU under the PRIN 2022 PNRR call, we aim to investigate in detail what happened over a very specific study area, which is called Batteria Island, which is found on the Po River Delta in Italy. And this was an area that was previously reclaimed over the last century, used as an agricultural area, and then it was abandoned somewhere in between the 1960s and 1970s. This abandonment was driven by the exacerbating effects of flooding, subsidence, and intrusion of salt water. After the abandonment, the area was left there for some decades, and at the turn of the millennia, the embankments that were built around this area collapsed because of lack of maintenance. And this collapse triggered the formation of new deltaic wetlands that was basically built just by following natural dynamics. So within this project, we are trying to characterize in detail what happened in the Batteria Island first, and then based on the data that we will collect there, we are going to inform and develop a numerical model that we are going to apply to see if the same dynamics can be reinstalled in other parts of the river deltas to promote land building in order to compensate for the effects of rising sea levels and subsidence.